hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this additional of not today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper is Friday, October the 8th. No, it's the Tuesday edition. In the Tuesday edition, October the 5th, we have here an additional with extra Sudokus. I have solved those two puzzles earlier, the 1 star and the 2 stars. So now it's the time. Now it's time for the binary puzzle and the tectonic. But first we will solve this little baby, the binary puzzle number 2. And this one will be number 350 110 10 3510. Let me do this again. 3510. Yeah. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row. Sorry, that means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then. Let me see. Yeah. I need to compare, I think. I need to compare. Well, here we have 3 ones in the last row. If I place number 4 here, then we have created 3 O's in a row. In this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then need to compare. Yeah, need to compare again. Yeah. 10 10. Do we have a 10 10 here? 10 10 here. This is the 10 10. Not the same. Here the 10 10 also. The second row and the 5th row. 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself, just in the comment section. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.